final test. We are focusing specifically on rugby tests now. So this needs to be an endurance test for rugby players, and we've chosen, or cardiovascular endurance test. We've chosen the BLEAP test, or the BEEP test. How you set it up is 20 meters apart. Your athlete is going to start behind the beacons. They go to the other side. They need to be also behind the beacons. They receive 2 warnings if they do not make it to the beacon on time, or they start before the beep has gone. Once those 2 warnings are done, you pull off of the test and you record whatever level that they have finished on. We have the audio, YouTube audio. I'm going to also be doing some voice commands in case he doesn't hear the audio very well. And then, is there anything else that you're not too sure about? It is a warm day, okay, so make sure you do have things like water, liquids available. He's only going to be doing just the level 1, just to make sure that you see how this test is conducted. Yeah, okay, to start, Level is going to be joining him. Okay, so remember, we're waiting for the beep. Always wait for the beep. But I will...
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds.